வணக்கம். ஒரு தனி மனிதன், அவர்தம் இலக்கு, அதற்கான அர்ப்பணிப்பு, குடும்பம், சுற்றம், நாட்டுப்பற்று, தெய்வப்பணி, தேசப்பணி, உறவுகளை பேணுதல், தெளிவு, வைராக்கியம் போன்றவற்றை மிக தெளிவாக பாமரனுக்கும் புரிய வைக்கும் படம் அமரன் திரைப்படம். இது மாணவர்களுக்கான அறிவை பள்ளி புத்தகத்திலிருந்து மட்டுமல்ல, பொழுதுபோக்கு அம்சத்திலிருந்தும் கற்றுக் கொடுக்க முடியும் என்பதை இதன் மூலம் உணர வைத்த நம் தாளாளர் ஐயா அவர்களுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி.
And I'm studying in 8th standard. Now I'm gonna share my views about Amaran movie. First of all, I'll thank my Kara sir to giving us this awesome experience. It was a very awesome movie I had seen ever. It was very interesting and inspiring topic for me. Army scene teaches braveness and confidence. After seeing this movie, I have been even changed my ambition as an army person. I liked each and every single scene of this movie. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm Agaya. I'm from grade 8. First of all, I thank my school management for giving the wonderful opportunity for visit the Amaran movie with my friends. When I saw the movie, it was so inspiring to me. The movie was so superb. It is a very honest movie for me. After seeing the movie, it changed the view of army person in our daily life. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I'm Ashwin from 5th standard. I'm going to share my views about Amaran movie. Amaran movie is very nice. I loved it. For taking me into this movie with my friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm Biritika from grade 9. Yesterday our school management had taken us to the theatre. This is my first experience on theatre to see the movie. I'm very interested to see the Amaran movie. It is a real story of Mr. Mohan Karagarajan, who is an army officer sacrificed his life for our country. So, this is very useful for us. Thank you for us.